Alright, so I'm doing something a little different. I wanted to do something kind of funky. So you can see the sections that I have. I have this top section off with a clip. And then I straighten and smooth the back section. And I'm actually going to put a braid using long Capeline hair. You see it? Alright. So I'm going to actually put the braid in the back and then do something kind of funky with the top, maybe kind of standing up, maybe some crimps, maybe some color, something like that to kind of give you like a mohawk and then have a long plait kind of hanging over my shoulder. Alright, so this is my hair in two sections. So now I have three. 1, 2, and 3. They're all pretty much equal in length. I'm taking this back up. Can you see the back? Can you see what I'm doing from the back? Or from the side of my head? I'm standing to the back so you can see. lot easier once you can actually bring the braid around to the front. For the fishtail braid is just a long braid in general, but it's so pretty. Alright, so the braid is all in, fishtailed the end of the braid and did a French braid on the top. And then I went through my little bag, my box of hair. I always keep a lot of different scrap hair and things like that. So I have this, which I think would be pretty fun, color on the ends. And then I have this piece here, just like a 4 and a 27 or like a gold blend. I don't remember exactly what this is, but I use this on something else. So I use these two. That'll look pretty cool together in there. And then I have some leftover hair. Let's see. This is number 35. And so I'll cut a couple pieces from this and add that in, and then just to give an extra pop, I have cotton candy, and I love the stark white cotton candy, and that's going to go in the center here. So kind of play around with it and have kind of range it so that it's going back this way to the front. Going over, have some pieces coming down in here, and that'll kind of be the messy outcome. Something along these constructed lines. Once it's all done, I don't want to press out the top because I like the fullness in here, just to kind of give it that. I might add a crimping iron to it just to give it some texture, and then to kind of comb it out so that it'll stand up on its own. So we'll see. Alright, so I got all of my colors in. You see they're all in there. I started crimping already. You can see that one here. Now I'm about to take y'all all the way back because I got my old school crimping irons. Old school crimping irons. And they are doing the damn thing. I have no need to replace them. So I'm going to do the entire section. I'm going to crimp it all out and then arrange it and pin it, maybe pull some of it out once I have it all crimped up. It's firm, but it's not hard. It's still really soft. I'm using the Sebastian shaper, sprayed on there, and then let it dry before I put the crimping iron to it. So no sizzle. It's not hard. It's not crunchy. It's all really soft and texturable, so it still look really cute, but not have that super 80s, 90s crunch-a-munch feel. So that's what I'm going for. So far, I like the cracks. I think it's pretty cool. It'll be kind of going more so along like this way here, so that the white is underneath and the colors are on top. Just have a little bit of fun with it. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. I pinned it up, crimped it, and pulled it all apart. I'm just kind of like cutting, crimping some pieces that kind of look frizzy, like a little too frizzy or too straight after I cut and pulled apart. Around, you see put my face on and finish off the look. But just kind of do little finishing touches, little crimpy areas, frizz it all out. Coordinated and kind of integrated all of the colors all in there. And a couple of hairpins, and voila, messy funkiness. Thanks. Alright, so this is the finished product with all of the crimps, and it's been like teased and combed out, pinned on the sides, and just kind of deconstructed, and just my chaotic messiness. I just wanted something extremely random and fun, and this is what I guess my mind came up with for this week, at least anyway. So you can see all of the colors that we started off with, all kind of blended and mixed in. The braid in the back, fishtail. You got a French braid here, fishtail. Hanging on my shoulder, and then like some Mohawky, busy messiness, and then of course you have to finish it off with some type of makeup or face or something like that, just to kind of have fun with it. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions or anything like that, you can always leave them. I will try my best to reply and comment to any of your comments or posts that you may or may not have. If you love this look just for every day, if you want to do something like this for a photo shoot, I actually do have something like this in mind for a photo shoot. I was thinking about making a wig, something like this. That might be kind of nice. I think I may. But if you want something like this for a photo shoot or just something fun, come and check me out, Stitch224 Salon. I'm always available. So, enjoy.